around here for a couple minutes before, you know, I don't want the cops to come. So we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna do a standstill burnout, then just like watch out a little bit, you know. Like, so I don't want to your ass to bug over. Make a fucking choice.
Ah!
Hello there!
Hello there!
Alright, tell me when the tires.
Yeah! Yeah! Look at that smoke! I will throw up! Yeah! I can't fucking see the car! Oh man. Ugh, fuck. Sound like a T-Rex!
Woo, look at the fucking smoke!
Oh man, look
Son,
at the
you
smoke.
think people were fucking around here? Look at that shit.
We roll
Like
deep in the summertime. Look at me. Fill me in there. Fill me in.
Oh shit, look at the ground.
Fill me in. We roll deep in the
Dude, look at my fucking car. It looks like it's fucking smoking. Let me guys show you. This fucking engine doesn't fucking play in this car.
Yeah.
I'm young money. Cash money. Look at that shit, baby. Custom throttle body. Alright, Tim. Get one more, then we hit the road?
Yep.
Before the fucking... Yo, it looked like a goddamn fire!
He's a gas man.
Yo, alright, come on.
One more.
X. Alright, check it out. Go, go, go! Hey there! It smells crazy out here. There's smoke everywhere. Go, go, go! Again, go, go, go!
Yo, a flame came out your back muffler.
Yo, look at the ground. Look at the ground. It's on fire.
Look at that. Yo, a flame came out your muffler. Yeah.
Yo, cops coming. Look at that. There's somebody sitting in their car. Come on. Cops coming.
Get us the fuck out of here. I hate the fun.
Fucking, this is just our crazy night. Tell me what you guys think. Leave me a thumbs up in the comments. Thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you guys want more of these videos. And yeah, let me know.
If you got money for the car, no bullshit, I'll just laugh in your face. Got it? Alright, buddy.
Peace out.
Wait till you see us. Tune in this summer. Summer of 2011 is going to be the craziest summer of all time. Me and XX Gambler are going in to the fullest. And we might have our own website, xxnegro and xxgambler.com. With our events, our whole summer is going to be documented on videotape. You'll probably like the shit that we do in the summertime. No homo, but it's fucking awesome. We'll go down to Hershey Park. We'll have mad girls with us. Come on now, get at us.
Alright, y'all. Peace.
Peace.